There is almost nothing more frustrating than a vehicle with a damaged windshield which leaves your visibility impaired and then being overcharged by untrustworthy glass companies that take advantage of the situation. Here is what one of our customers had to say about the 5-star experience after we replaced their windshield.
Friendly staff, competitive pricing and most accommodating glass company in the Chippewa Valley. My windshield was replaced quickly and had no issues with the final install. I highly recommend Post Glass and Mirror for all your windshield issues.
We stand by our estimates and our repairs. We treat our customers like we treat our family members. Imagine finally having an auto glass professional you can trust. At Post Glass and Mirror, we pride ourselves on delivering quality, trustworthy service at affordable rates. Simply call us at 715-723-8676 or click the link below in the description to book an appointment and get your auto glass replacement underway.